Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing very well at your place. In which country do we live? We all know that we live in India. So, India is called our motherland. Motherland उसको बोलते हैं where a person is born. We all are born in India, and so India is our motherland. We also call it Bharat. हम इसको हिंदी में भारत भी बोलते हैं. So, our today's topic is India, my motherland. So, before to begin, let's have the look on the learning outcomes. So, students, after the completion of today's topic, you will be able to identify the location of India on the globe, comprehend about what is Indian subcontinent, and also locate the India's neighboring countries on the world map. So, let's begin the chapter with the beautiful song.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया ये मेरा इंडिया I love my India I love my India ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया ये मेरा इंडिया I love my India ये मेरा इंडिया I love my India
So everyone knows India is a great country and Earth is the oldest civilization of the world. India is a very vast country with an area of 3.28 million square kilometers, and India ranks 7th after Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. India and its neighboring countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan togetherly form a distinct geographical unit and popularly known as Indian subcontinent. Subcontinent means a part of a continent. This Indian subcontinent has very distinctive culture. It is separated from rest of Asia by a long chain of lofty mountains. Lofty means very high mountains that are Himalaya mountains in the north part. In 2011, India's population was about 1.21 billion, but now it is 130 crore. So India is the second populous country of the world after China. India is a very unique in the sense as it has cultural diversities and people follow different languages, religions and traditions. And despite of all these diversities, people are one. They are united. Now let's see India's location on the globe. India is situated in the northern hemisphere as it lies to the north of equator. यानी इक्वेटर की नॉर्थ साइड पे है, सो इट इज़ इन द नदर्न हेमिस्फीयर मीन्स अबव द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. द सदर्न एरिया इज कॉल्ड ट्रॉपिकल इंडिया. ट्रॉपिकल मीन्स वेरी हॉट एज इट इज़ नियर द इक्वेटर, एंड द नॉर्थ ऑफ ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर इज कॉल्ड सब ट्रॉपिकल इंडिया. बीइंग सिचुएटेड टू द ईस्ट ऑफ द प्राइम मेरिडियन मीन्स इंडिया जो है प्राइम मेरिडियन के ईस्ट साइड पे लोकेटेड है. So India is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. The southern part of India is known as Peninsula, means the area which is covered by water from three sides. In the east of India, across the Bay of Bengal, the Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia and Indonesia are located. In ancient times, India had a great relations with its neighboring countries through water bodies, and there is Indian Ocean, which is named after the country India. India shares its borders with Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south. Sri Lanka is separated from India by Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Palk Strait is a narrow piece of land which joins Sri Lanka and India. That's all for the day. Students, next topic we will discuss in the next video.